Welcome back to My Software Tutor. In this quick tip, we're going to show you how to add a hyperlink to Excel. The obvious way would be to paste the URL into a cell, hit the space bar, and then hit the Enter key, and that displays the URL. However, if you'd rather have the name of the site instead of the URL, there's a simple way. If you hit Command K if you're on a Mac, or Control K if you're on Windows, it brings up a dialog box. And you'll notice there are a few tabs here. The first one says Web Page or File. You're simply going to put your URL there and click OK. And now what Excel has done is enter the URL behind the name of the site, the words that you want to use to display. I hope you found this helpful and come back for another tip soon.